It all started more than 18 years ago when I took a job as a Cutco distributor to pay for college, and I ended up falling in love with working with awesome customers and really the idea of being a consultant who was able to help people get what they wanted or get what they needed and really, assist people in making things more fun and easier and even, safer in some cases in their kitchen. And even though I still work with Cutco and I love it because it's a best-in-class product and it's backed by a best-in-class service, what I really enjoy is that my wife Amy and we've been able to move into helping people at an even higher level with cooking and cutting and other tips for the kitchen so they can enjoy even more the time that they spend in one of the most important rooms in their homes, and that's their kitchen. So Amy and I are so grateful for the opportunity to serve you. And I'm Josh Mueller, your knife guy. Welcome to our site.